Work for operation. First, you put on the hook. Then there are four hooks. Then back climbing. See, half back climbing also here shows. Then press ready. Then press auto. It will begin feeding. And also this one will go up and down once. This is for patting the bag. Then after finish the feeding the material, and it will go down. So this process is finished. For next bag, after you put on the hook, back climbing, you only need to press the ready. This one no need for the second bag, no need.